There's a pair of Sony earbuds, model number WF-C710N. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a MacBook or iMac via Bluetooth. So the first thing is go to your Bluetooth settings on your Mac. So we can click on the Apple logo, top left-hand side. We're going to go down to System Settings. Then we're going to go down to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Okay, now under here, under nearby devices, you see that thing that's spinning? It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, so we got to put these in a pairing mode. Okay, now if you're not paired to any device, as soon as we open the case up, take the buds out, they should automatically be in pairing mode. Okay, but we won't know unless it doesn't show up down here. It should show up by now. I don't see these earbuds on here. The reason why these are not showing up in here right now is because I'm connected to a different device. I think I'm connected to my iPhone here. Okay, so what we can do to put these in pairing mode for myself now, because I'm paired to a different device, I'm going to put the buds back in. There's a button right here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and press and hold. I'm going to keep holding that button right now until the light here starts blinking blue, blue, blue. Okay, still holding. Wait. Where's the blue? I think I took too long. Do it again. Ready? Go. Press and hold. Still holding. Come on. Oh my goodness, that took forever. But anyway, there you go. Now it's in pairing mode. Okay, now it's still spinning right there, so it's still searching for devices in pairing mode, and it did find the CF710N. I'm going to go over here. We're going to tap on connect. Give it one moment here, and now we are connected. It says connected right there, and I got 100% battery juice on these. Now, if you guys still had issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these as well. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.